This is a review for ODACITE Blue Palm Repair Palm. This is incredible. I love this thing. It is pretty pricey, but it is absolutely, it feels so rejuvenating. It feels just amazing on your skin. So the smell of it itself is really calming. It kind of has like an oceany type of smell, and how it looks like is right up in here. It's like a blue palm. I wish I would have more. It's almost running out. It has shea butter. It has almond oil, jojoba inside. So it's really nice. Chamomile is inside, which is very calming. You don't need much of it. This is how it looks as a texture wise. And when I put it in here, it like melts away in your skin. It like truly melts. You can put it everywhere in your face or also on your body if you feel a little, if you need a little moisturizing. How to describe it is that it feels like you're giving yourself a little, like when you're petting a cat, you're like petting your own face. It just gives it a little hug. It feels really nice. Feels luxurious. That's what ODACITE feels like. I really like ODACITE. Would recommend. It's a good gift idea. It looks really chic as well. Looks classy. Would recommend.